Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can play games on Snapchat. Now like in the old Snapchat, you cannot come on the camera and then play games. You need to do some extra steps. So follow the step. After you open Snapchat camera, you want to click on the little search icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you click on the search icon at the top where it says search, you want to search for games. And once you search for games, it's going to show you tons of game you can play. But just for this video's example, I will go with the chicken run game. And it's simple. If I hold on the screen, the chicken will fly. If I leave, the chicken will fall. So this is basically a simple game. And if I go inside the gutter, I lost. So if I want to play and record this game, what I can do is use one of my finger to tap on the screen and use my other finger to hold on the record button. And while I'm playing, I can record just like this. So I need to use two fingers. So one to record, the other to play the game like this. So yeah. So as you guys can see, it captured me playing this game. Now there's tons of other game you guys can choose from over here. But that's how you guys can play games on Snapchat. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.